got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
Ooh-wee. Hands down, one of our most popular styles in history. That is with ladies, females, elders, youngins. I mean, it doesn't matter. Everybody seems to like this 8-piece two-tone diamond dust, man. I think it gives off the look of diamonds, man, especially when you're talking about the white gold with the diamond dust and then the yellow gold borders. Average person that sees you wearing this thing is going to think most likely you have diamonds in your mouth. They're going to be staring, in which they're going to notice after a while, like, man, that must be dust or something. But this is definitely one of them ones that is going to get people staring. Everybody that I've seen put this grill on is just different, y'all. Just different. I don't care if it's 6-on-6, 8-on-8, 2-on-6, 6. I mean, it's just different. These diamond dust, white gold two-tone bad boys are something else. The description for this is in the comments and the link to this is in the description. I said that wrong, y'all. My bad. But yeah, hit that like button, y'all. Make sure to share. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to go see Fred. This one right here is extremely unique, y'all. It's just something different. There's something about two-tone diamond dust. And drop in the comments if you're digging this or you think you have an idea why this is just so popular. If you need one, go ahead and just check out the website, seattlegoldgrills.com. There's a whole section for two-tone grills. You go to Grillz at the top of the website, on the menu, you see Grillz, then go to gold, and then scroll down, you'll see two-tone or diamond dust. This will be on both of them, diamond dust collection or under the two-tone collection, because it's part of both. It has diamond dust and it's two-tone. If you need you one of these, holla at your boy Fred. I got you covered. This is something, like I said, very special. Appreciate everybody for all the kind love and support and all the great comments and love you guys have been sharing us. Thank you so much for my VIP clients. The VIP clients that's been sharing, man, telling people about us. You don't understand how far we're going to get just because of that, just because of you guys. It's all about the support, man. Appreciate everybody for, especially from within the city, outside of the city and outside of the United States for supporting us, guys. That is the truth. This one right here is going out to Bensalem, Pennsylvania. That's Bensalem. I've never heard of Bensalem. That's dope, man. Bensalem, Pennsylvania. So anybody in the Pennsylvania area around Bensalem, I hope I pronounced that right. Bensalem, B-E-N-S-A-L-M, Bensalem. Hope I pronounced that right. But anybody around that area, surrounding areas, tell somebody about your guy, man. I need your support. We're starting this referral train going on. The referral train. And what reason I do that, guys, is because I get the most support from my people that rock with me. So why not take it even further? That way I can get your peoples in some of this drip, and I can also give them the best deal I can. You know, I do this for a living, so I have to keep the lights on. But I appreciate you guys, nevertheless, for just the kind words and just the love, man. We're ramping it up for 2022, going into 2023, which is going to be an incredible year. The way this year is starting, man, oh my goodness. Ain't no telling what 2023 is going to look like. But right now, this year has been amazing, and we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. You guys are absolute truth. Special shout out to anybody from Pennsylvania. This client, man, purchased he purchased a top and bottom 8-piece and also a top and bottom 6-piece. So I don't know if I don't know what's going on, but I really appreciate you, fam, for supporting Mr. Santana from Bensalem, Pennsylvania. Shout out to Bensalem. Catchmaster 215 is his company, I believe. But yeah, shout out to my dude. Holla at your boy if you need on. Jump in the comments. Jump on the website if you're getting your shop on. Now remember, on the website, you can do financing, guys. We have Affirm, check. We have Klarna, check. We have ACIMA, check. And we have Shopify Installments, check. With Shopify Installments, you can do 4 payments on these bad boys, interest-free. So that means if you pay it off in, I believe, like 6 months or something like that, whatever it is. No, it's 4, pay it off in 4 payments, my bad. Then it's interest-free. You pay exactly what it is. Say, for example, if this one was like $800, you would pay 4 payments of $200 until it's paid off and you don't pay a dime over. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys for the love and support. Stay tapped in, stay positive, stay blessed. And I appreciate all the love, the referrals, the support, the kind words. And I even appreciate the haters, man. They've been trying their best to get to a cat, but man, most of them try to do it in the comments or something like that to try to feel like they're talking to me. But unfortunately, I'm gonna start zoning these cats out, man. I appreciate it though. 100.